Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Nervous Specialist. So we're looking at another Alliance today, and we want to appreciate you guys coming into our shop. I'm not sure what all it's here for. It looks like we're doing some new batteries, maybe. I know that Gina was working on one the other day, and yeah, I believe so, because these batteries look brand new. Looks like there's some paperwork in there and whatnot for them. Some Sun Cycles from Dometic. And I'm not sure if he's doing something here in the compartments or not. Looks like he's got some stuff pulled apart, and he's been back in here in the weeds. And let me go look on the other side, see if I can get a tattletale of what he's doing. This one is a 2000, and I can put my glasses on. It's a 5 of 24 build. Let's go see what kind of model we got here. All the guys are on break at the moment, so I'm sneaking around seeing what they're doing. Oh, okay, looks like we're doing either some Victron stuff or some solar stuff. And I'm not sure where he's going back in there to put that into. Let's go take a look at the inside and see what the inside of this unit looks like. Oh, yep, he's got that area covered and opened up, and looks like he's getting ready to put that display in. So very cool. It's a nice looking unit. I like the colors on it. Alliance does make a really good looking unit. You know, there's a lot of manufacturers out there, and a lot of the stuff we see is kind of competitive. I mean, it's, you know, pretty much the same stuff. It's just colors and different cabinetry and stuff like that. So, but, you know, whether it's brands, refrigerators, microwaves, TVs, it's all, to us, a lot of it's the same stuff. You know, it's just like if we went to Home Depot or Lowe's and we were going to build a tough shed or whatever, you know, you can only have so many different power jacks, so many different electric components, so many, you know, water pumps, and everybody kind of copies each other. You know, so anyways, well, I don't know all the details to this unit, but I just want to thank the customers, if they're seeing the video, for coming in, and I'm sure the guys will get it all squared away. I haven't done an exterior valve on it, but I don't know if they have or not. But, you know, make sure that you're keeping up on all your maintenance. And if you haven't joined us on our Alliance group, I'm not sure, I don't remember the count on how many members are in there at this moment, but we ask you to join the group, help share any problems, post pictures, things that are going wrong. Like I said, we just came across I want to say it was an avenue, and it was the first avenue that we've seen that had frame cracks in it. So that's going to be coming back pretty soon. We just did a Delta that was in here, and we just had another one over there, a Valor, that is in here for some frame work as well. So keep an eye on your frames and your suspension system and your slide outs and toppers and all that other kind of fun stuff. And if you have any questions, please feel free to toss them in the comments, and I'll try to reply back when I can, or usually I'll answer more better on the Facebook group. So because I get those, they'll pop up for me as a reminder. But anyways, you guys stay tuned for more. This is Dustin, Nervous Specialist, and we appreciate you watching. Thanks so much for following us. Have a great day.